Minus 18 by 45. I got the answer as minus 2 by 5.
Correct. Next.
Minus 12 by 18. I got the answer as minus 2 by 3.
Correct. Now let's just do the next topic. I hope you people can see my screen. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's just start. So next topic for me would be, just a minute, I just need to spotlight it. Okay. So now the next over here is the comparison. Okay. You are going to compare the rational numbers. See, comparing the simple numbers is very easy, right? But comparing rational numbers require a lot of effort, right? For example, I gave you two numbers, 2 and 3, right? I asked you to compare who is the greater one. You said, ma'am, this. Easy.
3.
But for example, I'll give you these two rational numbers, so it becomes difficult to compare, right?
Ma'am, we have to find the LCM of 5
Yes. So that we are going to learn, right? So over here, what happened? Whenever these type of questions comes, comparison one, right? How you are going to do it? Let's just do it. For example, it's minus 4 by okay, so sorry. Okay, let's just start. So for example, I gave you one number 4 by 2, right? And 3 by 5. Okay, these are the two numbers. I ask you to compare it and tell me which one is greater or something, right? So first thing, what you need to do over here is, you need to take the LCM of 2 and 5. Okay, so you took the LCM 2 and 5. Okay, right? So 2, 1 and then 5. So 5, 1 and 1. So you got 10, right? So now 4 upon 2 multiply. What was the LCM? 10, right? And for this, you will write 3 upon 5 multiply equals to 10. Clear? Now what you have to do, you have to fill these two boxes and then this one. Okay? Fine?
Ma'am, 2.
So over here, 2 should be multiplied with which number that you will get 10? 5?
5.
So same number you will write here. So 5 4
4 5 20.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 4 by 2 is greater than 3 by 5.
Yes. So let's do this first. And here you will write 2. Here you will write 2. So 6. So what you got? You got 20 by 10 and 6 by 10. Right? Yes. So you can just cut it up. You can form the other way. And now you can see 20 and 6. So of course, this one is greater. Fine?
So, ma'am, we can cancel the denominator and just compare the numerators.
Yes, you can do that as well. Okay? But the thing would be that, for example, if you divide it, right, with 5 table, for example. So 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10. Then 2 and 1. So you got 2 upon 1. And here it will be 2 3s are and 5s are. So again, it's a confusion. Which one is greater? Yes, because the denominators are not same. So in this situation, you will avoid doing it in standard form, right? Whatever the answers come, just simply compare it and write the answer. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to, okay, this you got. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, 1 minute, I have a doubt.
Yes.
What if the denominators are different?
Yeah, see, the denominators are different here. Then you have to, this is a process. When denominators are different, the process is first find the LCM, okay, and then do it like this. You will get the same, you can see now, you will get the same denominator. This is a process to make the same denominator, right? For example, I gave you this question, 5 by 10.
The LCM of denominators?
Yes, denominator. See, there will be two type of question. Question number A and question number B. Question number A is 5 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. right? And next over here is 5 upon 6 and 3 upon 5, right? Wait. For, see, this one, both the denominators are same, right? So you can see this one is greater, right? But
Yes,
in this
ma'am.
case, the denominators are not same. So first step would be you would take the LCM, and whatever LCM comes, the situation, you will write the LCM here. For example, you got 10, right? Then multiply it, this will be your answer. And for 3 upon 5 also, multiply, whatever the answer comes, and this will be your answer. Then you will compare this, and then that will be your answer. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. But we have to do LCM of denominators and
Yes.
numerators.
This denominator, 6 and 5. Okay? Fine? The
Yes,
LCM of
ma'am.
denominators. Okay? Clear? Both of you, it's clear? Tashin and Naisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the next one over here, right? So over here you have to find two rational numbers between them, right? So again it's a problem, right? The same process you will do. For example, if I'll ask you to find me three numbers between 5 and 10. So you can easily write, ma'am, 6, 7, 8. These are the three numbers between 5 and 10. But if I ask you this, 4 upon 3 and 3 upon 5, find me the 5 rational numbers between these two, right? So over here, what will be the situation first? Again, you can see the denominators are not same, right? So first thing, you have to make the denominator same. Clear or not? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So you will make the denominator same and automatically you will get the answer. Clear? So over here, for example, 5, you will do the LCM of 5 and 3. So 3 ones are and then 5. So LCM would be your 15. Yes? Right? So over here now 4 upon 3 multiply 15. Right? Here 3 upon 5 multiply 15. Right? So you should multiply this 3 with which number that it become 15? Ma'am, 5. Right? Here also then 5. So you got 20 upon 15. Here 5 should be multiplied with which number that will become 15? 3. So here it will be 3 again. Right? Now 3 3s are 9. So these are your two numbers. Right? 20 upon 15 and 9 upon 15. Right? Can you, of course you can see. I hope now you can find the numbers between this. So 9 upon 15, then 10 upon 15, 11 upon 15, 12 upon 15, 13 upon 15, 14 upon 15, right? So these are the 5 rational numbers between 9 upon 15 and 20 upon 15. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Aisha, you also got, Naisha, you also got it?
Um,
Hmm.
Ma'am, we learned the same thing last year also, right? In sixth
Yes.
standard.
Okay. So now I'm going to give you one question. Okay. Uh, uh, This one. Okay. For example, minus 2 and 5. In this, I will show you minus 2 and minus 1. Okay. So in this type of question, you will take the denominator as 1. Right. So over here, what you can do, you have to find 3. You can take any number. Right. Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
in this, see, you will get two type of question. The question number A would be, for example, 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 7. Okay. In this, you know that first you have to take the LCM, make the denominator same and the whole process. But for example, B type of question I gave you, minus 2 and minus 1. Find me the rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. I told you whenever you get a number like this, that means you can write it like this, right? In this situation, remember one thing. If I will ask you find the three rational numbers, right? You can take 5 greater than 1. If I ask you 10, just take 15 like this. So here what you have to do, minus 2 upon 1, right? Here, right? Anything. Multiply them with the same number. For example, you multiplied with 5 and 5. So you got 10 upon 5. Fine. And for this, minus 1 and this, multiply with 5 and 5. So you got 5 upon 10. 5 upon 5. Yes? So I think now you can find the numbers between 5 upon 5, 6 upon 5, 7 upon 5, 8 upon 5, 9 upon 5, and 10 upon 5. Clear? So these are the numbers between. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So I just remember one thing. If they are given in this form, you have to follow this process, that find the LCM and the entire process. But in case if I give you the question like this, minus 3 and 4. Okay. If I give you the question like this, then what you have to do, you have to simply first, okay, let's just not take minus 3, just take 3. So these are your numbers now. Okay. You can take any number. Usually you can take 10. That is very easy. Right. So here 3 upon 1, multiply with 10 and 10. So you got 30 by 10. For this 4 upon 1, multiply 10, 10. So you got 40 upon 10. I think now you can find the rational numbers between 30 upon 10 and 40 upon 10. Fine. So these are, here you don't have to take any LCM, anything. But in case if they are already given in this rational form, like 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 9, then you have to take the LCM here. Clear? Both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you will try doing this question. This one. Find three rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. Be careful of minus. Fine.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't understand the how to find the national numbers.
Okay. Okay. Good evening, guys. Guys, can you hear me? Okay. I'm just repeating myself. Which one you didn't get, Tashin? The rational
Then
numbers
we
one?
have to list between the numbers.
I told you there are two type of questions. One is, for example, 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Okay, here you have to find the rational numbers. And the B one would be, for example, 2 and 3. You have to find the rational numbers between 2 and 3. So tell me which one you didn't get.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, guys. Yeah, Naisha, tell me.
Ma'am, for I got the answer as minus 10 by 5 and minus 5 by 5. But do you have to find the rational from minus 10 by 5 to minus 5 by 5 or minus 5 by 5 from?
I'll tell you. You did one mistake. Okay. So see, guys, you joined right now. So
Yes, ma'am.
I am repeating my concept again. Okay, for all of you. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
So the topic over here is, find rational number between the following.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So the first question is this, and you have to
Yes.
find three rational numbers between
Yes, ma'am.
2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm doing it here. Have a look. Okay? So whenever these type of questions are given to you, the very first thing is you will take the LCM of 3 and 5.
Yes.
Okay? LCM of 3 and 5. Okay? So let's just do it. 3 and 5. So 3 ones are and 5, then 5, 1, 1. So the LCM would be 3 multiplied by 5, 15. So LCM is 15, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what you have to do, 2 upon 3, multiply equals to, just write here 15 and leave. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
For this, 4 upon 5, multiply, just write 15 here and leave. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to tell me 3 should be multiplied with which number that you will get 15.
3,
Five?
5, 5.
5.
So the same number you will write here, right? And here, let this come here. 5 should be multiplied with which number that you will get 15? 3. So here, just write 3. Now 2 multiplied by 5 would give you 10 and 4 multiplied by 3 would give you 12. So now these are your two numbers. Okay?
Yes.
So 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Okay? So over here, 11 upon 15. Yes? So this is
Yes.
your number between 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Right? So this is how you will get all the times the numbers. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
So, ma'am, 11 upon 15 is a rational number.
sorry.
11 upon 15 is a rational number.
Yes, 11 upon 15 is the rational number between 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Here, why I did this entire process? Because the denominators were not same.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So I
Yes.
made the denominator same. Now here you can see 15. Here also 15. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why I can find the number in between. But here it was not possible. So whenever the denominators are different, you will follow this process. Okay? Now, but for example, I give you this question that find the rational numbers between 2 and 3. Okay? So at that time, what you will do? 2 upon 1 and 3 upon 1. Okay? So what you can do, you can take any number. For example, you can take 5, you can take 10, any number. Okay? And what you will do? 2 upon 1, multiply equals to 3 upon 1, multiply equals to. So you can take any number. For example, you took 5. So here you will write 5 and 5. Okay? So 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5. Here also you will take the same number. If you have taken 5 here, here also you will take 5. So 5 and 5. So 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So now,
Ma'am, we can take any number and multiply
yes,
it.
yes. But you should remember, if you are taking 10, here also it will be 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 10. Okay? So now you have these numbers 10 upon 5 and 15 upon 5. So 10 upon 5 and 15 upon 5. Can you find the number between them? Yes, ma'am. 11 upon 5, 12 upon 5, 13 upon 5, 14
And
upon
14.
5 and 15. So these are the number between 10 upon 5 and 15 upon 5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is
Yes.
the difference between. Over here, I'm just, you can multiply. You can take any number. Take
Yes, ma'am.
any
Yes.
number to multiply.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. The only
Yes.
difference between this and this is, here see, you cannot take LCM because the 1 is the 1. The LCM of 1 will be 1 only, right?
Yes.
That's why in this case, you don't have to take 1. You can multiply it with any number. But in this case, you have to take LCM because they are already given the denominator. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what you people are going to do, you are just going to note it down in your notebooks. Okay. Write the question. Find rational numbers between the following. A, this, write it down. B, this, write it down. Clear?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. So kindly note it down and then we will discuss that question. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I finished, ma'am, and for my, I have exam in January, ma'am. And for
Okay.
mathematics, I have rational numbers and perimeter and area.
Okay. So perimeter and area we have done? No?
No, ma'am.
No, na? Huh. Okay. So the students, apart from Tashin, everybody got the portion. So what we will do when I will end this class now, I will take 5 minutes, and over there I will take the chapters where Kais is getting the things, and the chapter where Naisha and Tashin are getting, so that I will make a timetable and I'll see which chapters are common, so that we can do that, and which chapters are not common, that we will do apart. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And also, if you people remember, on Wednesday, the last Wednesday, this Wednesday only, I guess, I didn't took your class because I had some work to do, right? So today I am planning to exceed your 20 minutes, like after this class. So are you people available for 20 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
20 to 30 minutes I'll take. Is it fine with everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, me also.
Yes, for everybody. Because you remember on Wednesday there was no class with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So today I just want to, because tomorrow also you have a Christmas holiday. So tomorrow I won't be taking the class. Right. So today I want to take half an hour extra apart from this class. Like after, I will extend this class for 20 to 30 minutes. So I hope it's okay with everybody, right? Tashin, Kais is okay. Tashin and Naisha is okay with you as well.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So that tomorrow also you people can enjoy, right? Okay. Okay, so once everybody is done writing this, let me know. Then I will give you the question where you have to find the units between these. Okay.
What do you write in the bracket in the B? One?
Where? This B,
The
this
yes, ma'am.
is B, and
Bracket.
this is nothing.
No, ma'am. The bracket. You
This
can.
one. This.
Uh, After, I mean, near 2 by 1 and 3 by 1, you wrote a bracket.
You can take any number to multiply.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
I'm done, ma'am.
I hope everybody is done, right? So now, this one. You have to find 3 rational numbers between -2 and -1. Quickly do it. Those who did, just wait.
Answer.
And those who haven't done, do it. And then we will discuss the answer together. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, which one, ma'am? Example 4.
Sorry.
Which
Yes,
one?
example number 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, let's just wait for guys to do, then we will discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how do you do it, ma'am? I don't understand.
You remember when I did this one? The same process.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Quickly do it and tell me the answer. Fine? Just remember minus and a part is going to be same.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, finish.
Okay, so what you people took? 5 or anything else?
I
5, ma'am. 5. I took 5.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Tell me.
Ma'am, I got the answer as minus 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 7 by 5, and minus 6 by 5.
Correct. Others? Same?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I took multiplied by 5.
Hmm.
I got my minus 2 divided by 1, I got minus 10 by 5.
Hmm.
And for minus 3 divided by 1, I got minus 15 by 5. So the rational numbers I
Divided by
got
10
is 5.
where?
Huh?
3 divided by 10 where?
Minus 3 divided by 1.
Where is minus 3?
Minus 3, yeah.
Where is the question was minus 2 and minus 1. So from where the minus 3 came?
Oh, wait, ma'am, sorry.
You, I think, wrote the question wrong. See, minus 2 upon 1
Ma'am.
and minus 1 upon 1. So for example, minus 2 upon 1, I multiplied it with 5. 5, so I got minus 10 upon 5. And this minus 1 upon 1 multiplied by 5, I got minus 5 upon 5. So
Yes,
these
ma'am.
are my two numbers.
I got rational numbers as minus 6 divided by 5, minus 7 divided by 5, minus 8 divided by 5, minus 9 divided by 5.
Remember one
Ma'am.
thing, whenever you are getting the answers in negative, you will start from the greater one. Minus 10 upon 5, then minus 9 upon 5, then minus 8 upon 5, minus 7 upon 5, minus 6 upon 5, like this. Right?
Ma'am,
Not from minus 5. Yes, guys?
I removed the minus, and then after I got the rational numbers, I added the minus.
Why you remove the number negative?
Because I couldn't do multiplication like that.
No. Here, for example, I told you you can take any number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
for example, you took 5. So when you will multiply 5 with minus 2, you will get minus 10,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So you got minus n. See, the only, for example, this is very important, student, just learn it. For example, you got minus 10 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 5. Okay, and you got 10 upon 5 and 5 upon 5. The difference between, right, minus 10 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 5 and 10 upon 5 is this. When you will write this, the rational numbers over here, you will write it like this. Minus 10 upon 5, then minus 9 upon 5, minus 8 upon 5, minus 7 upon 5, minus 6 upon 5, and then minus 5 upon 5. Okay? But when you will write it like this. 5 upon 5, 6 upon 5, 7 upon 5, 8 upon 5, 9 upon 5, and 10 upon 5. Right? So whenever you get the answer in negative, it becomes opposite. Right? In negative, you start from the greater to the smallest. But in positive, you start from the smallest to the greatest. Clear? Remember this concept because not every time everyone will tell you. If your answers are in negative, then you start from the greater one, the bigger number, to the smaller number. But if your numbers are in positive, you start from smaller number to the bigger number. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it would be minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6 like this. But in this case, it would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? You can draw this in your notebook if you people are getting confused. Okay?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Done? Should I give you another question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, question number 1. Okay. First do the first one and the second one. Okay. And then we will discuss the answer, and then you will do this and this. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you can when you add the denominator 1, we
Hmm.
can we can multiply it with any number.
Yes.
Ma'am, done, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay. Let's just wait for others to finish, then we will discuss. Okay. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
But remember one thing, students. For example, in this question, they ask you that find the 5 rational numbers, right? So always take a number greater than 5. Like for example, you can take 6, 7. And usually the most simple method is take 10. Very simple. Fine? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
could you repeat?
Just a minute. Huh?
Ma'am, when will class end?
Yes. So basically, I said that, for example, in this question, they are asking you to find 5 rational numbers, right? Yes. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
told you whenever the denominators are not given, like in these two cases, you can multiply it with any number, right? But if they ask you 5, right, then multiply it with 10. Okay, like any number greater than 5. Clear? But for example, in case of 5, they ask you 3, you can multiply it with 5. This is what I'm telling. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If they ask you to find 10 rational numbers, take any number greater than 10. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain once more how to do with the denominators?
Denominator, you have to, in this case, you don't have to, in first and second case, you don't have to take the LCM. You have to just take any number and multiply the denominator as well as numerator. Just check your previous answer, which I did and you people wrote. And check what you did over there.
Yeah,
Right?
ma'am. We can multiply just with any number.
Any number, but as they have asked you to find 5 rational number, take any number which is greater than 5. You can take 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, any number, but it
So
should be
any
greater
number
than
greater than the denominator.
any number greater than the number given over here. That they have asked you to find 5 rational number, so you can take any number greater than 5. In case if they ask you find 10 rational numbers between, then you can take any number greater than 10. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. What about these ones?
B1,
Ma'am,
they are same.
No,
ma'am, should I
ma'am.
do third question?
The third one.
Third one, you don't have to do third one right now. First, let's just discuss first and second, then I'll tell you the third one. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am. I finished.
Okay. Guys, you are also done. Naisha, you are also done.
Yes, ma'am.
Naisha?
Ma'am.
Okay. So for the first one, what you people did? You multiplied with which number?
I multiplied it with 5 because
5? I told you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's just do it with 5. Okay?
Told me later I was trying to solve the third one.
Okay,
That
okay, no problem. So you got this and 0.1 multiply with 5 and 5, you got 0.5, right? Yes?
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Yes,
here
ma'am.
minus 5 upon 5. Yes. Then minus 4 upon 5. Minus
Minus
3
3
upon
upon
5.
5 and minus 2 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 5.
Right? So tell me how many numbers are between?
4.
Ma'am,
4. But in the question, they ask you for 5. That's why I told you whenever they ask you any number, you have to take greater number than that. Fine?
so, ma'am,
Yes? You will not take 5. You can take any number. You can take 6. And the simple thing is just take 10 now. Why you are taking any other number? 10. Very simple. Minus 10 upon 10.
5.
10. Here, 10, 10. So you got 0 upon 10. Right? So minus 10 upon 10. Then minus 9 upon 10. Minus 8 upon 10. Minus 7 upon 10. Minus 6 upon 10. Minus 5 upon 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5? Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine?
Yes. So, ma'am, we
Like,
can take
continue. 0 upon 10.
ma'am, we can take any of those numbers
You
which
can
we
take
get.
any of the numbers. Yes, only 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. But if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will take, so remember one thing, if I ask you find 10 rational numbers. So
Yes,
take
ma'am.
a number greater than 10.
Yes, ma'am.
You can take 11, you can take 12, you can take 13, you can take 20, 25, any number, but it should be greater than 10. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am.
Everybody, Tashin, you also got it now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was asking you to explain the third one.
Okay, okay. Let's just discuss the second one, then I'll come to third one. The second one, which number you people took? Here also the same situation. You have to take any number greater than.
Ma'am, I took 2.
Why 2? Greater than 5. Greater than 5.
Oh,
So 10. For example, let's just
Ma'am,
take 10.
minus 20 by 10 minus 50 by 10. So minus 20 by 10 minus 30. Wait, 1 minute. Sorry, minus 50 by 10 minus 40 by 10 minus 30 by 10 and minus 20 by 10.
You take
Ma'am,
which
can you
number?
Sorry. 1 minute, ma'am. Let me just do the second one. I took
Ma'am.
the number as 5, so I.
No. You can take, okay, now everybody do the second one. Take 10. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Take 10. Multiply it with 10. And tell me the answer.
multiply by 10.
Yes.
No. Ma'am, done. Ma'am.
Let's just wait for others. Okay?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so what you people got?
I got the answer as minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus,
Hmm.
Ma'am,
minus
same, ma'am, and
17
so on.
by 10, minus
Yeah.
16 by 10, and minus 15 by 10.
I hope everybody got it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to next one. Yes. Yes, Tashin.
Ma'am,
Hmm. Yes,
ma'am,
Tashin.
ma'am, I got minus 19 divided by 1, minus 18 divided by 1, minus 17 divided by 1, and so on.
How?
Ma'am, you told me to divide it by 10.
Not divide, multiply.
Ma'am, sorry, multiply, yeah.
So the question was this, right? The question was minus 2 and minus 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So over here,
Yes.
when I minus 2 upon 1 and here minus 1 upon 1. So if I multiply it with 10, so I get minus 20 upon 10. Yes. And if I multiply it with 10, I get minus 10 upon 10. Yes.
Ma'am, I got numbers till minus 20, like minus 19, minus
Minus
18,
19 by 10.
yeah,
Minus
minus
18
18
by
by 10,
10.
minus
Minus
16,
7.
17 by 10, minus 16 by 10, minus 15 by 10,
Well,
minus
that's
14.
it. You need only 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Good. Now coming to the third one, students. Right. In this case, what you have to do, you have to take the LCM. Right.
Ma'am, 10, ma'am. It's 30. LCM.
Right. Okay. So just take the LCM. Okay. And do the third one and fourth one. I have already done this question. If you want a reference, just refer to the question which I did. Fine. I did one question. You remember this one? I asked you to note it down. The questions. Right? Just check it from there. Fine.
Yes.
Quickly do third and fourth, and then we will discuss the answer.
Ma'am, could you explain the third one?
Yes, Naisha, you were saying something?
Could you explain the third one, please?
First, you will take the LCM of 5 and 3. Okay. Then, minus 4 upon 5. Whatever the LCM comes, you will write it here. Right? And you have to find it. You will multiply with which number? Then same number would be here. And this will be your number. Similarly, with minus 2 and 3. Right? And then so on. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the LCM is 15, but you can't use 15 because you need 5.
Why I can't use 15? This 15. This 5 should be multiplied with which number that you will get 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
You can't use 15 because then when you use 4 into 3 and you'll get 12 and then
Yes.
you get 10. So you can't use 15. You need 5 rational numbers.
Yes.
You only get
So you
one
can
rational
take
number.
yeah. You can take any other number which comes in between. Fine?
You can't use 30. You will only get 3 rational numbers.
Then?
So then we have to go so on.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait. Okay.
Ma'am, you explain the fifth one.
No, third
Third one.
About.
Third one.
You are
Sorry,
getting
ma'am.
this. Right? So now, once you got this one, okay, just try doing it. I'll tell you how to do it. Fine? Okay.
Ma'am, we
Just
can multiply with any number.
wait. Let me do it. Tell me the question.
Minus
Minus 4
5
divided
and
by
minus
5.
2 by 3.
And
Minus 2 by 3.
okay. So now 5 and 3, the LCM would be 15. So what I'm going to do, this 15. So you will 3. So you got minus 12 upon 15. Yes. In this case, minus 2 multiply. Here it would be 15. So 3 5s and here you got minus 10 upon 15. So now it is
The
minus.
denominator will be same.
Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. Then what you did after this?
Ma'am,
You
you have to
yeah.
do the same denominator.
Yes, you have to do the same denominator, but now you will see that only you can find one number in between, right?
Yeah.
So what you will do now, minus 12 upon 15 and minus 10 upon 15. You can take any number now. Like for example, I took 10. So I got minus 120 by 150 and here I multiplied it with 10. Right? So I got minus 100 by 150. So can I find the numbers between minus 120 and 150 and minus 100 and 150?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? So quickly do it and tell me the answer. Okay?
Ma'am,
we
Rishi,
can
you
I
multiply
immediately
with any
copied it.
number.
See, the thing is that here you were unable to find the how many rational numbers you have to find. You have to find 5 rational numbers, right?
yes, ma'am.
But when you did this LCM, you can only with this you can only find one rational number. That's why after that you can take once your denominator are same, right? 15 and 15. You can multiply it with any number. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I'm
I got
talking
the
about
answer.
before finding the how to find the denominator, ma'am.
LCM 5 and 3 LCM,
Oh, okay, ma'am.
right?
Ma'am,
Awesome.
can
Okay,
I tell?
wait. Let others finish, then you will tell, guys. Okay?
Ma'am, no, not the answer.
Hmm.
Like instead of like multiplying it with 12 into 10,
Hmm.
I found I did 3 into 20, which I got 60, and 5 into 12, which I got 60. And then that's how I found the answer.
Remember one thing. You did that, but the thing is that you have to always find the same denominator and numerator. You cannot multiply differently. Fine?
I got the same denominator in both.
Getting it, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
So the fourth question.
Wait a minute. Let's just complete this and then I'll show, okay? 1 minute. Okay, I hope everybody got it now, right? So it would be minus 120 upon 15, 150 minus 119 upon 150, then 118 upon 150, 100.
117 by 150 minus 116 by 150 and minus 115 by 150.
Yes, these are your 5 rational numbers. Okay?
I also got the same.
Yes. Good.
Ma'am,
Now
I got ma'am, I got minus 47 by 60, minus 46 by 60, and minus 45 by 60, and so on.
Okay, you took some different number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
I this multiplied 2 by 3 into 20, which I got
Hmm.
minus 40 by 60.
Correct,
And
correct.
4 by 5 equals to into 12, which I got 48 by 60.
Correct. Now you people will do the next one, fourth one. Clear? See, remember one thing. You have to only go to this step. This is step 2, right? In case you are unable, this is step number 1. If you are able to find the rational numbers here only, no need to go to step 2. But in case you are unable to find the numbers, then you have to go to step 2. Fine? So now quickly do this fourth one. Then we will move to the next part.
Ma'am? Ma'am,
Yes.
why is there a minus like in between?
Here.
Yeah, so which number is negative?
The other one.
Okay. Ma'am, sorry to disturb, but can you just like fix it? It's kind of confusing.
See, you can write it like this. Minus this and 2 upon 3. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, let's just wait for others.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, so what do people got?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Tell me.
Minus 2 by 6, minus
Mhm.
1 by 6,
Hmm.
0 by 6, 1
Hmm.
by 6, and 2 by 6.
Correct. Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I got minus, I got this 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 0 by 6, minus 1 by 6, and minus 2 by 6.
First I told you na. First what comes? Negative numbers comes. Then 0 comes. Then positive comes.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
will write minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6, then 0, then 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so done, right? Now, let's do the next one. Can you people do the third one? I told you people how to find the equivalent. You remember how to find the equivalent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You have to
No.
you can take any number and you can multiply the same number. For example, this is the question, 5 upon 6. I'm asking you to find the equivalent of 5 upon 6. I can take any number and can multiply the numerator as well as denominator. For example, 2. So 10
Yes,
by
ma'am.
12. So this is my
This is the equivalent fraction of 5 by 6.
yes. So these are your questions. Third question, quickly do it and tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you just do the first question?
Ma'am,
You remember, I cannot do the first one. Can you see this question, which I did? For example, this is a number, 7 upon 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I ask you to find the equivalent. You can take any number. Like, for example, I take 2. Multiply it with denominator as well as numerator. Right? So, 7 twos are 14, 6 twos are 12. So, this is my equivalent. Clear? For example, I took 5
Yes, ma'am.
like
I
this.
understand.
Clear?
Yeah.
You can take any number. You have to multiply the denominator as well as numerator with the same number. Yes, Tashin, you were saying something?
yes, ma'am. How to do it with single fraction?
Single fraction means?
Like the
Example
third
2.
one, they give two fractions, right? Like -1/2 and 2/3.
Hmm.
But how am I supposed to do it only one fraction?
For example, 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write 2 like this.
Ma'am, this third one, right? The first question. How
Hmm.
to do?
This third part.
No, ma'am. First one.
First one, just multiply it with any number. The denominator as well as numerator. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. Even
Yeah?
the third one.
Yes. So you have to find 4. So you will every time you will take the different numbers. Okay? Or what you can do, whenever they ask you to find the equivalent, right? You can do it like other way as well. Clear?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, students, getting it? Any
Yes, ma'am.
problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, let's just wait for others.
I am also done, ma'am.
Ma'am, everyone is done.
Okay. So let's just discuss the answer. See, it will be different for everyone, right? So I am doing one question and I think after that you people can do. Okay. So for example, the first question is minus 2 upon 7. How many equivalent I have to find?
4.
4, right?
Four.
Okay. So let's just do where I wrote it. I just forgot. Right? So I have to find 4. So first, second, third, and fourth. Okay. So first minus 2 upon 7. I'm just doing it with 2. Right? So I got minus 4 upon 14. Minus 2 upon 7. I can do with 3. Right? So 3 2s are 6. Minus 6. 7
by
3s
21,
are
minus 8 by 28, and minus
Hmm.
10 by 35.
Yes. Sorry. 4. So minus 8 by
28.
Next, minus 2 upon 7.
Minus
Ma'am,
10 by 35.
Ma'am, in the first question, you told me that you should do it greater than the rational numbers they tell us to find.
Sorry. No. That is for to find the rational numbers. This question is for the equivalent, na?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Right? In equivalent, you don't have to think anything about it. Okay? So this is how you have to do all the questions, right? The first one,
I
the
did
second one,
everything
like
with,
this.
ma'am, I did all with, like I did 2 with 5 and 1 with 6. So like everyone's answer will be different, ma'am.
Yes, you can take, for example, you people can do it like this as well. Minus 7, 10, and 10. So you got minus 20 upon 70.
Ma'am, mine is correct though.
You can
Mine
do
is correct.
20 upon 20. Any number you can take, but remember your denominator and numerator should be same. Fine? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think for every question, you people know how to do it, right? Now the next thing is that this. Okay. Now this one. Can you see? Write 4 more rational number in each of the following, right? You remember in the junior classes, we used to do it like this. 2 upon 4, like this. 2, 4, 6, you have to fill. So the gap is for 2, 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10 like this, right? So now in this question, there will be different gap for the numerator. There will be different gap for the denominator. I think you people can find it out. Yes? No?
Ma'am.
Yes, right?
Even for the denominator, it's different.
Yeah, it will be different for the denominator for the gap. See, in the first one, minus 3, you can see there is a gap of 3, 3. So over here, you will continue with 3, 3. But here the gap is for 5, 5. So you will continue with 5, 5. You have to find 4 more. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
You have to do first, second, third, and fourth. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, everybody is done?
It's time
Yes,
how
ma'am.
to do the third one.
Okay, quickly do the third, and you have to do all that, okay?
Ma'am, I
First,
also
second,
finished.
third, and fourth. Okay, so
Ma'am,
let's
I
just...
don't understand how to do the third one.
very easy. What is the gap? -1, then 2, then 3, then 4. See, here you can take it like this. This minus, you can shift it here, right? Yes. And then you can do. Fine?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Ma'am, we have to do. Ma'am, we have to do the
Fourth
third and
also.
the fourth one.
First, second, third, and fourth.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm kind of confused in the third and the fourth one.
In third one, what you can do, you can shift this negative to here. Make it -6. Okay? And here also do the same thing. Then you can find.